What's up? It's Wednesday morning, February the 2nd, 2011, day after the blizzard, and open up the door to our building is a pile of snow. So let's go see what we got outside. Oh shit. More snow. Damn, what's up the wall and shit? Fuck. Damn. Shit. It's a lot of snow. I don't think it's as much as they said we were gonna get. I think it's only like, well, I think we only got like 19 inches, but still a shitload of snow. Damn. Just white out. Can't see the sidewalks. People shoveling the snow. Shit. Well, looks like the cars are blocked here. Wow. See our basement windows halfway covered. See the snow drift up the wall. This is something else. I've never seen anything like this. See the people down the block trying to shovel off the sidewalks. Well, I'm gonna go out in the middle of the street, taking the path where our driveway is supposed to be. Oh, damn, I didn't know it was this deep. I am totally unprepared. So check this out. This is my knee. There's my foot. My knee is here. That's my foot. Well, it looks like I won't make it out to the middle of the street. So this is the blizzard of 2011.